there, Emily in Flying Sparks Garage here, and today I am going to be using some of CRC's Pro Strength Degreaser. I can't wait for you guys to see how well this stuff works. Let's get to it. Top applications for our Pro Strength Degreaser include vehicles and painted surfaces. Other applications include automotive parts, exteriors and interiors, maintenance equipment, chrome and stainless steel and metallic parts. The water-based formula is aggressive enough to break down and dissolve grease, grime, oil, and rubber marks, yet it's safe on paints and plastics. It has no odor, you don't have to rinse it, and it leaves no residue. I hope you were as impressed as I was as to how strong yet gentle this degreaser is. Melted away grease, yet left my paint just as good as before it got covered in grease. What a fantastic product, CRC. Way to go. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time.